Good day, everyone. Today, we will delve into the most advanced trends in skin barrier health, highlighting key developments in dermatology from 2025. Our discussion will focus on molecular mechanisms, environmental influences, innovative formulations, and evidence-based clinical strategies to optimize skin barrier function. The skin barrier serves as the first line of defense, regulating water retention and protecting against environmental aggressors and pathogens. Recent research has illuminated critical molecular pathways and environmental factors affecting barrier integrity. Today's dermatology emphasizes precision strategies for barrier repair, moving beyond conventional moisturizing routines to targeted, scientifically validated interventions. The skin barrier is composed of several interdependent components. The stratum corneum serves as the primary physical barrier, while intercellular lipids, such as ceramides, cholesterol, and free fatty acids, maintain structural integrity and regulate water loss. The natural moisturizing factor, which includes amino acids, urea, and lactate, ensures hydration. Tight junction proteins like claudidins and occludin reinforce the barrier at the cellular level. The stratum corneum consists of corneocytes embedded within a lipid matrix, often described as a brick-and-mortar structure. It provides mechanical protection and regulates transepidermal water loss. This layer is dynamic, with keratinocytes continuously differentiating and renewing the barrier to maintain its protective function. Intercellular lipids are critical for barrier efficiency. Ceramides form the lamellar structures that retain water, cholesterol maintains lipid fluidity and stability, and free fatty acids contribute both to structural integrity and antimicrobial defense. The precise balance of these lipids is essential for maintaining a healthy, functional barrier. The natural moisturizing factor is composed of hygroscopic molecules, including amino acids, urea, lactate, and PCA. NMF is crucial for maintaining hydration in the stratum corneum, buffering environmental stressors and enhancing barrier resilience against mechanical and chemical damage. Tight junctions, consisting of proteins such as claudins, occludin, and zonula occludins, form selective seals between keratinocytes. They regulate paracellular permeability and prevent water loss. Tight junctions work synergistically with the lipid matrix to maintain an efficient and intact barrier. In summary, an effective skin barrier relies on the coordinated function of multiple components: the stratum corneum for mechanical protection, intercellular lipids for water retention and structural integrity, natural moisturizing factors for hydration, and tight junctions for cellular cohesion and permeability control. Each element is essential, and disruption in any can compromise barrier efficiency. At the molecular level, tight junctions and lipid networks maintain the structural and functional integrity of the skin barrier. Genes such as CLDN1, CLDN8, and ELOVL3, along with filaggrin expression, are central regulators. Understanding these molecular components has paved the way for personalized dermatology approaches, where treatments can be tailored to an individual's genetic and biochemical skin profile. Environmental stressors significantly influence skin barrier function. Pollutants, UV exposure, and harsh cleansing agents increase transepidermal water loss, or TEWL, and exacerbate sensitivity. Modern urban lifestyles, combined with chronic stress, further compromise barrier integrity. Preventative strategies now emphasize minimizing these exposures and implementing protective routines to maintain optimal skin health. Recent advances in topical dermatologic formulations involve biomimetic lipids that replicate the skin's natural lamellar architecture. Clinical studies have demonstrated significant improvements in key barrier biomarkers, including filaggrin and hyaluronic acid levels, along with enhanced lipid content. These evidence-based products have become a cornerstone for effective barrier repair and maintenance. The contemporary dermatologic paradigm emphasizes proactive skin fitness. Strengthening the skin barrier before clinical issues arise helps mitigate sensitivity and irritation while allowing safe use of potent actives like retinoids and exfoliants. This approach represents a shift from reactive to preventative skincare, enhancing long-term barrier resilience. Clinicians and patients should prioritize products with validated barrier repair efficacy. Avoid practices that compromise the barrier, such as excessive exfoliation or harsh cleansers. Incorporate photoprotection, antioxidant therapies, and lifestyle adjustments to sustain barrier health. Regular assessment is particularly important for sensitive, mature, or otherwise compromised skin. Emerging technologies are transforming barrier care. AI-assisted imaging enables precise assessment of barrier integrity. Personalized regimens informed by genomics and the skin microbiome optimize intervention strategies. Additionally, regenerative dermatology, including stem cell and exosome-based therapies, holds promise for enhancing barrier repair at a cellular level. In conclusion, maintaining a robust skin barrier is essential for overall dermatologic health. Optimal outcomes are achieved through an integrated approach encompassing molecular understanding, environmental mitigation, and evidence-based formulations. Emphasis should remain on proactive prevention and barrier strengthening rather than solely treating symptoms. These references provide the scientific foundation for today's discussion and can be consulted for more detailed information. Thank you for your attention and engagement.